Good morning. So, I know it's been a while since I've come out with a video. Just to give a quick status update, I had filmed a whole video about pneumatics and all the stuff I'm working on, and all of the videos are in a format that I cannot digest. So, I was finally able to stream over Firewire to HD resolution, but it is done in a DV format, which nothing but the Pro software can decode, so the videos are basically useless to me. So I've given up on all that, and I'm finally got my stuff all together. Um, but yeah, I wanted to give you guys a status update. I've been trying to model this stuff in Fusion 360. So I've been working on trying to get the cylinder body and the cylinder components all modeled up with motion so that I can eventually sort of simulate travel and try to figure out how much range I've got and if everything's working in the right directions. So this has definitely taken a long time. I've had to learn this. I'm not very good with the program, so it does take me a while. But let's see, come on. There we go. So yeah, I've got limits set on this, so it should. I don't know why it's stepping, but yeah, I've trying to get it to where I can simulate this and get some range of motion sort of things going, and figure out if I've actually got a good design before I go welding the whole table up. Make sure I don't have any bottlenecks. But all this stuff, these cylinders here, don't exist on any sites that I can find that already have the models made. So I'm just having to do it by hand, which takes a while. And I had some pneumatic problems. One of the regulators was oscillating and creating some dangerous conditions. So I was sort of able to mitigate that by putting a needle valve in line between the pressure transducer and the pilot regulator, so that seemed to smooth it out. And I'm confident with the pneumatics now, and I could put all that in a separate box. So really my next step is to get my models done in Fusion 360 and then start welding. And that's where I've kind of hit a roadblock. It just takes a lot of time to do this stuff because it's a new program and it's something I'm not used to working with. So I hope everyone bears with me. Not that there's many people on this channel, but I know it's it sucks going a month and a half without a video. So I'll keep trying to give incremental updates as to what I'm working on this thing, but it's probably going to take a while to get it modeled before I actually start welding. Once I start welding, I'm sure it'll go pretty quickly, because that's when you have physical parts and it's easy to, check fitments and all that, and that'll be a little more readily available machine. Anyway, so thanks for hanging in there. Bear with me, and we'll have something here in the next month or two, I hope. But yeah, once work dies down a little bit and I'm able to work some more normal hours, I may be able to get a little more out. So, all right, thanks for watching.